starting with the perfect 10, the A340-500. For a while, it held the record of being longest range jet, with 9,000 nautical miles range capability. It also carries around 310 passengers in a 3-class layout, and with its range and capacity, it's one of the highest performing aircraft ever. Ninth place goes to the A350-900. Carrying 315 passengers 3-class to 8,100 nautical miles, it's the baseline A350, the most popular and competitive variant. It's an incredibly versatile aircraft, and with a lower passenger capacity, it can fly up to 9,700 nautical miles, making the ultra-long-range version the longest-range airliner yet. Eighth place goes to the A350's competitor, the 787-10. The longest stretched Dreamliner is designed for high-capacity, medium to long-range regional routes and prioritizes high cargo and passenger capacity. With 337 passengers and 13 pallets of cargo, it can fly them up to 6,345 nautical miles. Seventh goes to the A350-1000. A350-1000 is the largest version, seating 366 seats to 8,700 nautical miles by 2022. It's an extremely capable airliner for carrying passengers. Not only that, but it also carries them in a comfortable cabin with wide 18-inch seats, the largest bins, and highest ceilings of any aircraft. 6 goes to the 777-300ER. The GE90-powered 777-300ER is the best-selling 777 to date, and it's easy to see why. 370 passengers 3-class to 7,370 nautical miles, it sets the benchmark in performance for all future large long-range wide-bodies to come. Till today, it's the workhorse of many airlines on long-haul routes, with extremely impressive cargo capabilities. In 5th place is a quad-jet, the A340-600. It still remains the longest Airbus to date at 75.36 meters long. It's powered by 4 Rolls-Royce Trent 500s and carries 370 passengers 3-class to 7,800 nautical miles. In 4th place goes the original 747-400. The predecessor of the Dash 8 is still a giant, though a graceful one, and is the queen of the skies. Carrying 416 passengers 3-class to 7,285 nautical miles, the Dash 400 still has excellent performances today. In 3rd place, the 777-9. This is the world's largest twin-jet and also takes the crown of the longest passenger plane in the world at 76.73 meters. Powered by the world's largest jet engines, the GE9X, this monster of a twin carries 426 2-class to 7,285 nautical miles, plus is the longest. With its high-capacity, long fuselage and twin efficiency, it's the VLA of the future. Before the final two, here's an honorable mention, which goes to the Boeing 757-300. Why? Well, put simply, it's the largest single aisle to date. Carrying 243 passengers to class, it had the capacity of large wide bodies, but the low trip cost in the 90s comparable to single aisles made it a really rare aircraft. The next two are both VLAs, and in second place, the 747-8 Intercontinental. The stretched jumbo seats 467 3-class to 7,730 nautical miles. Unlike the A380 though, its upper deck is smaller, meaning less space, though the hump is effortlessly elegant. And coming in first is, I bet you guessed it, the Airbus A380. With the all-new cabin enabler features activated, the A380 can take up to 575 passengers for class. With 550, it flies 8,200 nautical miles. A380 is the only double-decker plane with the two decks running the entire length of the aircraft, and with floor space of 550 square meters, it's a giant. It seats more, but also has more luxurious seats in all classes, with 11 abreast economy and 18-inch seats on the lower deck, plus first-class apartments on the upper. There we are, the 10 largest and most capable aircraft by passenger capacity. In a competitive industry though, what matters now isn't about size, but rather efficiency. Check out the video on the top 10 most efficient aircraft appearing in the pop-out banner now. Thanks for tuning in, and till we meet next time, one team, one aviation, one sky ahead.